If you're experiencing account sync issues with your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your experience. This guide will help you resolve common problems and ensure smooth syncing. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by testing other online services or applications. If your connection is weak or unstable, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. Step 2. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can resolve bugs and improve performance, including syncing issues. Step 3. Verify Steam account credentials. Double check that you are logged into the correct Steam account on your Steam Deck. Go to the Steam application, navigate to Account Settings, and ensure your username and password are entered correctly. If necessary, log out and log back in. Step 4. Clear Steam cache. Clearing the Steam cache can help resolve syncing issues. Open the Steam application, go to Settings, select Downloads, and click on Clear Download Cache. This action will require you to log back into your account, so be prepared for that. Step 5. Contact Steam support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your problem, the steps you've already taken, and any error messages you've encountered. They can offer more specific guidance tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your account syncing experience on your Steam Deck. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek additional support.